Everybody wants a financial stability, but only few can achieve this. Hello everyone, my name is Vivek. Today I will show you how you can making money with just two indicators. Let's begin. First, we will add our two trading indicators, the sharp trading cycle and zigzag. Well, keep zigzag at default setting, but adjust the trend cycle visual presentation slightly. I will change its line to white for better visibility on the chart. Perfect. Now our strategy is full configured. Let's examine how proper execute trade. Focus on these sharp trend cycle zone. The indicators may temporarily exit this area, but it always reverts back within its channel boundaries. These are crucial movement because they almost always indicate a market reversal, meaning the price itself is about to turn. Look what happened to the price. Immediately after the trade cycle broke upward, the asset dropped, and this aligned perfectly with the indicators falling back inside its channel. I think you will already grasp this logic. The indicators predict shift in market momentum, but we have a second indicator that significantly enhances our analysis. Zigzags provide us with levels to mark from its pivot points, sometimes called knees. Once we plot these levels on the chart, we immediately start seeing how price reaches to them. The asset consistently bounces off these levels. It may dip below or rise above temporarily, but then reverse. You can also use simple trade line breaks. In any case, both indicators give confirmed signals. We enter the trade. Alright, I'm entering a short position here. Let's analyze the signal first. The sharp trend cycle has turned downwards and it's currently in the lower zone. Second, the price has bounced off the zigzag level and now it's gradually declining. We were caught the price movement when the asset being its downward trend. Now we just need to wait for the trade to play out. Important note, I am risking $500, just 50% of my trading account. My goal is today to show you trading can deliver rapid results, hence the proportional risk level. While I can offer this due to experience, I strongly advise beginners to exercise caution. You will absolutely have opportunity to profit. Just remember to manage your risk carefully. Alright, our first trade of the day is closed. I will take a short break now and then we will continue. About risk management, it's simple. The less you allocate per trade, the more attempts and learning opportunities you will have. When starting out, your focus should be on practice, not immediate profit. Meanwhile, I am back in the market. We will approach this key zone now. It will either get broken throughout, act as price support. Personally, I expect a bounce here, but I believe we will have room to profit from a downward movement. Everything is depend on this zigzag level. The asset could plummet, but let's not speculate, guys. My current goal is to take one more trade here. After that, I will switch chart because it's important we analyze different market scenarios together. By the way, if you want more analytical content and high quality trade signals, I highly recommend joining my Telegram channel for more such signals. Link in the description. You will find more signals and good strategies for making money. You will find tons of valuable insights and precious entry signals that I personally trade. Let's go profit together. Meanwhile, I will just close my second consecutive winning trade here. As I promised, switching charts now. We will continue shortly. I am entering a long position. Will show you exactly what the indicators are telling us. The sharp trend cycle is breaking upward, exciting its lower zone. And here the zigzag level we were currently breaking through. Earlier, by the way, there was a bounce upward from another level below. The price reversed little to it, which strengthens our signals. Overall, the situation on this chart looks quite encouraging. The asset was declining for a long time and the trading sideways, but now everything points to be a long-awaited upward move. The price almost always returns to its key points. In our case, it's right here. This, by the way, is another advantage of ZigZag. Its pivot points perfectly highlight such level, making them more noticeable. Just a few more seconds to wait. I will make another profit. Okay, this trade goes perfectly. I think opening one more will be enough. I will do it on a new chart. Okay, we are trading another confident upward move here. Now I need to show you a small nuance. The ZigZag indicator hasn't drawn its latest pivot points yet, but we will still identify them visually. Here I manually spotted the patterns and entered the trade based on the upward zone breakout. The trend cycle is also exciting and its lower zone, making this trade look extremely reliable. All through, this is our last trade today. This currency pair currently has unlimited potential. I could keep trading in much longer. It shows strong growth, but look what happened early. The asset was stagnant for a very long time. Trading is a narrow corridor that we will just broke out of. Always capitalize on such situation, guys. When an asset consolidate in a tight range for extended periods, it's accumulating energy for a powerful breakouts. Exactly what we will see on this chart. Alright, I will just close another successful long position. That's enough. $2,500 is perfectly satisfactory. Let's now summarize today's results. You saw it's all yourself, guys. Let me remind you, don't rush. Don't in panic, always focus on patience and wait for the results. The indicator never lies. Indicator helps you to make profit. Join my Telegram channel, subscribe, like and share. If you have any queries, comment below and we'll help you to solve the queries. I will see you in the next one.